Hello friends, welcome to our video. Let's focus on some of the important events on current affairs for the month of May 2021. Question number 1. Who has been appointed as the first woman officer for a road project along the border with China? The answer is Vaishali S. Hiwase. She has been appointed by the Border Roads Organization. Question number 2. Which two new quick credit delivery schemes have been launched by SIDBI to provide funding for production and services related to the supply of oxygen cylinders and essential drugs? The answer is Swas and Arog. Question number 3. The world's largest pedestrian suspension bridge opened in which country? The answer is Portugal. It is 516-meter long and built over the Paiva River. Question number 4. High yielding and pest resistance variety of which legume has been discovered by Indian scientists? The answer is soybean. It is named as MACS 1407. Can give 30 quintals per hectare and takes 104 days to become mature after sowing. United States has approved sale of 6 which aircraft to India recently? Answer is P-81 patrol aircraft. It will help Indian Navy in expanding its maritime surveillance aircraft capacity. Question number 6. Who has won the Portuguese Grand Prix? The answer is Lewis Hamilton. It was his 97th career victory. He has defeated Max Verstappen and Valtteri Bottas. Question number 7. When is World Press Freedom Day celebrated every year? The answer is 3rd May. The theme for 2021 is Information as a Public Good. Question number 8. Armed forces have launched which operation to fight COVID-19 in India? The answer is Kojit. To help restore oxygen supply chain, set up COVID beds and help civilian administration. Question number 9. All-rounder Thisara Pereira of which country has announced his retirement from international cricket recently? The answer is Sri Lanka. He played 166 ODIs and 84 T20Is. Question number 10. Which state government has announced Gopabandhu Sambadika Swasthya Bima Yojana for journalists? Answer is Odisha. Under this scheme, a health insurance coverage of rupees 2 lakh will be provided to each journalist. Rupees 15 lakh will be provided to the families of journalists who died from COVID-19 while performing their duty. Odisha has declared the journalists as frontline COVID warriors. Question number 11. Researchers have found 100 million years old fossil bones of sauropod dinosaurs in which place? The answer is Meghalaya. Sauropods have very long necks, long tails, small heads and 4 pillar-like legs. Question number 12. Who has become the world champion for the 4th time in snooker? The answer is Mark Selby. He has now achieved the 2nd spot in world ranking, next only to Jude Trump. Question number 13. Who has taken oath as the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the 3rd consecutive terms? The answer is Mamata Banerjee. She is the 8th Chief Minister of West Bengal. However, she was defeated by Subhendu Adhikari in Nandigram. Question number 14. Who has taken oath as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? The answer is M.K. Stalin. Who has taken oath as Chief Minister of Puducherry? The answer is N. Rangaswamy. Question number 16. Name the two Indian rowers who have qualified for Tokyo Olympics. The answer is Arjun Jat and Arvind Singh. The Tokyo Olympics scheduled to be held from 23 July to 8 August 2021. Question number 17. When is World Red Cross Day celebrated every year? The answer is 8th May. Theme for 2021 is Together We Are Unstoppable. 8th May is also celebrated as World Thalassemia Day. Question number 18. Who has taken oath as Chief Minister of Assam? The answer is Himanta Biswa Sarma. He is the 15th Chief Minister of Assam. Question number 19. Who has climbed Mount Everest for the 25 times? The answer is Nepali climber Kamirita Sherpa. He breaks his own record of climbing Mount Everest maximum number of times. Question number 20. Anupam Kher has won the Best Actor Award at New York City International Film Festival for which film? The answer is Happy Birthday. This film has also won the Best Short Film Award at the New York International Film Festival. Question number 21. When is National Technology Day celebrated every year? The answer is 11th May. Question number 22. Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has launched which mobile app for students and parents? The answer is Dost for Life. It has been launched for the psychological counseling of students of class 9 to 12 and also parents. Question number 23. United Nations has projected that the Indian economy will grow at what percentage in the calendar year 2022? The answer is 10.1%. As per United Nations, India will be the world's fastest growing major economy in 2022. Question number 24. Which state is constructing forest ponds for rainwater harvesting under Parvat Dhara scheme? The answer is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is a forest-rich area. 27% of its area is covered by forests. Question number 25. The Shotgun World Cup has been organized at which place? The answer is Italy. India's Gurjot Singh Kangura and Angad Veer Singh Bajwa participating in this World Cup. Question number 26. Who is the author of the book Life in the Clock Tower Valley? The answer is journalist Sakur Rathar. This book narrates a love story between Samar and Rabia. Question number 27. The name of Mionkabara railway station of which state has been renamed as Mahesnagar? The answer is Rajasthan. Question number 28. Which organization has developed an artificial intelligence algorithm for detection of COVID-19 infection by analyzing chest X-ray? The answer is DRDO. The algorithm tool is named as Atman AI. Question number 29. Who has been appointed as the Executive Director of RBI? Answer is Jose K. Kator. Question number 30. German regulator has banned which social networking site? The answer is Facebook. Thank you friends. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you once again.